Hi, welcome to How to Draw Simple. Today we're going to learn how to draw a Christmas tree. Let's start off by drawing a line curving down to the left like so, with two small curve-like waves underneath, and another short line curving down to the edge like this. Then, draw the next tier of leaves with a line curving down to the left, this one with three waves underneath, then a line curving down like so. Do that again with four waves underneath. And then one more time with five waves to finish off the leaves. Underneath, draw the trunk with a vertical line curving down to the left, mirror that on the right, and connect those with a horizontal curved line like so. Now we can decorate the tree. I'm going to draw a few circles around the tree for the ornaments. And some thin curved lines crisscrossing up the tree for some tinsel. And a few smaller circles with thin lines for some ornaments or lights. Lastly, top the tree with a big star. And draw some lines shining outward from it for the light. And now you've got a Christmas tree. Let us know in the comments what you think we should draw next. And be sure to check out these videos for more.